Geosports App. So here you can see the new app, Geosports.app, daily sports geography game. Tap where it happened, 5 questions. So you can go to this website. I don't know whether it's on iOS or Android, but it's on the web for sure. Play today's round. So then you can see questions. So I don't know, like you can then just, this is the idea, tap the map to guess, no confirmation needed. So I have no idea. I will just show you different planet. So as you can see, next question. Mm, I don't know, like for example, I have no idea about all of this. Maybe here. Okay. So now you can just see, you can then now share your score, and then you can see the streak, and then you can also add to leaderboard. Then you can just, you can share your score. I don't know what, you can just do it like that on Twitter as you did with Wordle app. I didn't even create an account in here, so and that's how you play it. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is going viral right now. You can see how scoring works. Later questions are worth more. Stakes rise as the round progresses. A perfect day is 100 plus 100 plus 200, 300, 300,000 points. You will see the top 50 scores for the day. And then you can see the area. There is also the game called Map Tap. So pretty cool.